Hi, this is Lisa from LK293 and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to use this forest stamp set to show you how to create this project. So I want to create some kind of light shining through to the forest. It's very simple and easy, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. So I'm going to use this forest stamp. So this is 2021's fall new release. I have 8 brand new background. They are available online now. Make sure you check our online store. So I have to create a lot of different video by using Local King rubber stamps. So make sure you visit Local King online video library, click the card you like, and it will bring you to the YouTube channel. A lot of awesome projects they are ready to view, and I hope you like it. So let's start today's video. Okay, the material is actually pretty simple. I have this Kaleidos color, the fresh greens, and I'm sure a lot of you guys have this multicolor impact. If you don't have it, I do have a way to show you how to create a multicolor background by using regular impact or reinker. If you would like to know, make sure you leave me a comment and I will create a video to show you how to create the same background without using the multicolor impact. So we're going to use a StayOn, and I have a brayer here, and I have a double side tape here, and I have some glitter here, and I have some glossy paper here. So because I'm going to use the brayer, and you can use a regular cardstock, but I just found out the glossy paper, they just work better. And just be careful, make sure you, if you're not sure which kind of glossy paper you have to use it for stamping, make sure you watch the video number 182. In video number 182, I did a paper review to show you 10 different kind of cardstock that you can find on the market, where you can find glossy cardstock. And so today's video, I am using this old Chronicle glossy cardstock. So just one StayOn. Okay, so I like to use the same stamps again and again. So when I designed my stamps, I always thinking about, I don't want to use this stamp just for one time. I want to use for multi-time use. So I already create the card like that. So if you like to see how to create this card, just make sure you visit the Local King online video library, click the card. It will bring you to the YouTube channel. So this is the sample card that I create, and I want to create this sun, like a lighting, just shining through to the forest, just a corner. And then after I finish, I add a glitter. So you decide what you want. It's totally after you. Okay, so first we are going to ink our stamp with a StayOn, and you got to make sure your StayOn is nice and juicy. They got to have enough ink. And then rubbing your background stamp. You don't need to use a stamp positioner. Just rub and tap. Okay, and then here is one of the sample card I create, right? So the light is shining through from the left side, left up. So, and then when you stamp your image, they are going to be reverse image. We have to kind of create some kind of masking to masking that strip. So how do I do that is, I just use the piece of scrap paper. So this is just a piece of scrap paper, and I folding like a pizza shape. And then after you folding the pizza shape, you are going to put that scrap paper on top of your ink stamp, and then use your finger kind of rubbing that. And then on your scrap paper, they will pick up some extra ink. And then on your stamp, you can kind of see in the middle part, the ink has been picked up a little bit by that scrap paper, right? And then now I am going to just put my glossy paper directly on top. And remember, this glossy paper is not a photo paper. They are different glossy paper on the market. Some of the glossy paper, you can never stamp with regular impact. They will never dry. So make sure you watch the video number 182. In that video, I have explained to you all different kind of cardstock on the market. If you're looking for some glossy paper and where you can find it. So I just used my finger kind of rubbing the back and make sure everywhere is nicely inked. There you go. And then you can see that strip the lighter, because I pick up some color with that scrap paper, is the color is a little bit lighter. If you don't do that, you use directly just ink your green, it's going to be like too dark. They won't show that light shining through the forest. Okay, and then in one of my video, I already explained to you guys, you can use a glue gun to remove the stays on. Okay, so the next we are going to do the coloring. Okay, so I have these Kaleidos fresh green ink pack. And then remember, when you want to use this ink pack, you got to push all together. And then they have a lighter color to the darker color. So I want to start from the light to the dark. So I make sure my brayer is inked this way. If you want a darker color, light color, so you just rotate. Okay, so I'm going to just ink my brayer. And then remember, one direction only to pick up all the colors. Okay, and then here's the trick. When you want to start to apply the color on your car, you don't start on top of your car. You always start from your scrap paper, so that way they don't show that starting line. Okay, so one direction, like this. Okay, one direction only. Okay, and I'm going to ink my brayer. And then this part, kind of just do this. And then slowly move. So that's how I created that strip here. Okay, so if you like it, you can use the magic mushroom. If you have a magic mushroom, you can add a little bit color, not too much. Okay, I have a little bit purple here and a little bit orange there. Not too much. Just use the magic mushroom. Just pick a bit color, gently just dabbing a little bit on top. Not too much. Okay, if you want to. Or what you can do is you can grab a piece. I will use the acetate sheet, because acetate sheet I can kind of see where I supposed to where is the border. So now I use the purple color, kind of make that line even a little bit more. Okay, so rotate it. Okay, like this. And then when you start the purple color, you just hit hard and gently release. That's it. That's how easy it is. Okay, and then next, what you're gonna do is we can use exact knife. Because I am using glossy cardstock, right? So you can use, they are clay coated. You can use this exact knife. Try to scratch a little bit coating to create some kind of highlight. And remember, this is only working with the coated glossy cardstock. You can use regular cardstock, and in my other video, I already shared with you, if you can't find a glossy paper, you can use a regular cardstock and it just coat it with a laminated sheet. So you can also create a glossy finish. So there is always to, fix, try to reach what you want to create. So I just use these the craft knife, time to just give it more lighting here. That's it. Isn't that look like a lighting shining through to the jungle? Okay, and the next, if you want to, I think that looks actually pretty awesome already, but if you want to, we can add a little bit glitter on top. So I have this double-sided tape, and I just trimming it like a sliced pizza. Okay, and then you're going to just make sure you burnish your tape well. Okay. And then if I accidentally cut too short, I just patch up with a little bit. Nobody's going to find it, right? And then we just put the glitter on top. And then remember, glitter is not your friend, so do it at your friend's house. Okay, so just put the glitter on top here. There you go. Okay. And then put my glitter back. Okay. That's what it looks like. You know, that remove the center part of that stays on. It doesn't make a difference, because when I was creating this video, I actually tried few times, because if you don't remove that extra stays on impact, and then when you color with your green impact, it's not going to show. It's not going to show this lighting shining through the forest. So give it a try. Do you like the one with the glitter or not? I just want to share you the idea, the different option. What do you? Okay, so one more things before we finish this project. So I put this mousse head over here. This is from the stem set of Canada. So I just if you like to use watercolor, anything you like to use for coloring, just go for it. I usually like to fast result. So I just use the magic mushroom, kind of rubbing a little bit color. I think that's good enough. And then when I put my mousse here, my mousse is kind of blending in. It didn't really pop out. So what I found out is I have to give it a little bit highlight. So I just use die cut another piece of white cardstock, and then I just use the magic mushroom and pick a little bit yellow. And then I kind of just give it a little bit touch up with this yellow color around the border. And then I'm going to just use the foam tape kind of off the line a little bit. So that way when I put this mousse in front of this forest, this mousse is more pop out than without that backing. Voila! So do you like the one with the glitter, or do you like the one without glitter? I think it looks pretty much like the sunshine is shining through to the forest. And then you can put a deer, you can put a wolf, you can put all kind of forest, like a jungle animal inside. I think it is a fun project. So give it a try, and I hope you like it. If you do like this video, make sure you leave me a comment and give me a thumb up. Any stamps that you like me to create a video for you, just leave me a comment, let me know. I will definitely working on that. So wishing everybody have a happy Labor's Day. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.